Today I'm going to show you how to cook perfect hard-boiled eggs in your RV. And the trick to this is I'm using a 3-quart Instapot. And you'll need some water, both for the Instapot and for cooling off the eggs. You're going to need, of course, eggs, and you're going to need some ice. If you have a refrigerator in your RV that has an ice maker, or has an ice tray or freezer section, you're in luck because you can get ice right from there. Otherwise, you have to get it out of your cooler. But ice is part of the ingredients. Anyway, so let's get started. So that's the pot. We take the top off. I'm using one of these baskets. Whoops, what this thing didn't go well. Yeah, here. Sorry about that. Also have one of these little divots underneath. Trivets, they call it. Trivet, divot. Anyway, I'm just putting in this. So I'm going to add a cup of water. They say, I think you could go down to maybe 3/4 cup in a 3-quart Instapot. So then we'll add the eggs. Just gently put these eggs in here. Zipping right along. And you can just stack them right on top of each other. It doesn't matter. Last one. At this point, we just put the top on the Instapot. Twist it, and then you make sure that it's turned back. So we'll get steam. We're in shore power. So just plug it in the Instapot. So the Instapot comes on. So I'm going to put it on pressure cook. I'm only doing it for 2 minutes. That's all it takes. Now what'll happen is it will come up to pressure, and then it'll cook for 2 minutes, and then it'll go off. And it will stay warm, but it will let the steam will go off in 15 minutes. I'm going to check back on it. So I'll check on it, let's say in 20 minutes. And that'll give it time for the steam to release. And at that point, we'll take the eggs out, put them in the water, and add the ice. So I'll be back. Been 20 minutes now, so it's time to go check on the eggs. But first, let's stop by and look at the hostas. See how they're doing. Nice. Starting to bloom. There's another one over here that's blooming as well. Oh well, out to the RV. Okay. It's been 16 minutes since it finished cooking, so that's plenty of time. We're going to unplug it. Whoops. We're going to go ahead and unplug and make sure the steam is released. No steam. And we'll take this out. So these eggs are ready to be put into the water. So let's do that. They're going to be hot. They are hot. Let's see. Hold on 1 second. Okay. So you need to get one of these. I don't know exactly the name. I'll find out the name. Tongue. Now I could have just put water in, filled up this pot with water. But the pot is hot, so that would take longer. So we're just gonna use this separate bowl here. 2 more, 1 and 2. And we could add a little bit more water just to cover at the tops. And let's get our ice. Our ice, I got it in here. So we'll just pour our ice on top. Now we're going to wait about 10 minutes for the eggs to cool down, then we'll try a couple. So the water is all melted now. The eggs are pretty cool. So it's time to test it. Let's see here how easy they peel. Pretty easy. Easy peasy. So there we go. Now let's test it. Bite into the back. Perfect. So this is how you can quickly, perfectly boil your eggs in your RV with a 3-quart Instapot. And you might say, well, what about all this water you're wasting? Because in an RV, you might be bivouacking and not have access to water, or have very limited water, and you don't like wasting your water. Well, I have a hack for that I'll show you in the next video. If you're interested in getting an Instapot, I'll have an affiliate link in the description. See you then.